Since the header tube needs to be as smooth as possible on the inside surface, we generally do not want 100% weld penetration as is customary in most welding practices. To compensate, weld beads need to be slightly convex to add strength to the weld. When you are ready to strike the torch, turn on the shielding gas, both for the torch and the back purge system. We use a flow rate of approximately 5 standard cubic feet per hour for the shield and 10 standard cubic feet per hour for the purge. Use good quality welding gloves and welding hood with automatic darkening lens. Once the arc is started and the weld pool is formed, carefully add filler rod while keeping an oscillating motion with the torch. For most cases, it is best to keep the torch at approximately 10 degrees off vertical. Add filler rod to the pool with your free hand while modulating the welding current with the foot pedal. If you can chew gum as well, go for it. The staff at Burn Stainless is here to assist you with your exhaust fabrications needs. Please feel free to contact us if you have any questions on one of your projects. Visit burnstainless.com for more informative articles.